But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down.
Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. How are you guys doing? Still your girl Divine Coco once again, and you guys are welcome back to another video. See, I know this video has been it's been ages. Like, this video should be 5 months. This unboxing video now, yes, I know from the title you already know what I'm about to do. This unboxing video has been long time coming. I got this laptop sometime, how many months ago? I've even forgotten the months ago, and since then I've not unboxed it. I've not, see, this is a typical example of procrastination. What am I waiting for? I don't know. I'll just say I'll unbox it today, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it, but this is the D-Day, and yeah, this is finally the D-Day. Okay, so, and I hope you guys will love this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So first of all, I'll start with the little accessories I bought together with the laptop before unboxing the laptop, so it will be more easier, you get. So first of all, I'll start with this. I got this microphone. Yeah, you'll be wondering, another microphone. Yes, the first one I got did not work for my phone. I don't know what is the problem. That microphone has refused to work for my phone, so I ended up buying. Although somebody said, sorry in case of any background noise, my madam is behind me there. Although somebody said there's a particular camera I have to download for me to use the camera, to use the microphone, sorry, but I didn't know. I already bought this one before the person told me. So yeah, I got this microphone. It's a wireless, I appreciate this is wireless. Yes, it's a wireless microphone, just like the first one I got. But let's see what is so special about this one. Unbox. Wait. Hold on. So this is how it is inside. Let's see it. Let's see it. Okay. This is how it is inside. Yep. This is just the packaging. I just removed this thing. So let's see. It's not letting me do anything. Fixing nails is not the problem. It's working with the nails. Oh, this is beautiful. This is slick. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Hello. So I'm going to try and connect it now and see how. And we have this one. I guess this one goes directly to the phone. Yep, goes directly to the phone, and yeah, that is literally it. That's what. Okay, we have another content. I guess this is okay. It's chargeable, or is it my head? Like my eyes are spinning me. So there's a cord here. Then it's chargeable. Oh wow! Wow! It's chargeable. You can charge it. This one doesn't use battery. Oh, nice. I'm in love with it. I love this so much. Let me try and connect it. I don't know if it's going to work, but let me just try. So can you guys hear me? I don't know how it's sounding now. Which is better? This is me with the mic on, and this is me without the mic on. So which one is better? Let me know what you think of this mic in the comment section. Yeah, this is slick. I'm in love with it. So yeah, I will literally use it throughout this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment what you think of this microphone down in the comment section. And yeah, I got another mic. Sorry, people should not be offended. I have to buy another one but this one is wired. I don't want to just buy wireless or two, so I needed versatile. Does that English make sense? Super. So I got this wired one in case I have a guest on my channel. That's I just have to buy two. So yeah, you guys, these microphones, they are nice. They are not cheap. Okay, so this is the second one I bought. It's also for type C. All what I'm buying, okay, and it has another sound cover. All what I was buying, I was so concerned about the fact that it's a type C, because my phone is type C. If not, it wouldn't make any sense. So I have to just make sure I'm buying for type C. So yeah, this is wired. I'm not going to try this one, but I hope it works perfectly. So this is how it's looking. It has this sound cover, it has another spare sound cover, and it has this thing that I don't know how it's doing it. Anyways, that is what is the content of this. But my favorite is the wireless. Like, I'm loving it. You won't even know. There are some kind of clothes I'll wear and you'll be looking for where the microphone is. Yeah, you won't even know. So that is it for the microphone. Moving forward, moving ahead. We have this. Yeah, I had to get this mouse, this wireless mouse for my laptop. Nothing, I just feel like getting it. There was no reason that I had to get it. I just feel like getting it. So yeah, I got it. I also got this thing. I don't know. This was what I wanted to buy. This adapter, Type-C adapter. The guy that sold the laptop to me recommended I buy this thing. So I had to buy it, and it came with this. I don't know what it's used for. Let me even open it. Let me open the contents of this one. Okay. So this is and this is how it's looking. It has so many ports for other phones, and it has this Type-C extension. That was why he asked me to buy it. That if I'm making use of Type-C phone, probably they just did this for. They just did. What did they even do? I don't know. See, I don't know about this thing. Yeah, that is it. So, and also open this wireless mouse. I got this mouse too. I got one was cheaper, and I had to. So this is the mouse. Yeah, this is the wireless mouse. So I got, funny enough, I got this mouse too. Yes, I got this one, and I still got another one. One was cheaper, and I still went ahead to buy another one. That one was a bit expensive. I've even forgotten the one that is cheaper and the one that is expensive. But okay, that one, I don't even know where that one is. I shall look for it. Yeah, this is it. So next thing we'll be unboxing is this. Yeah, this. I got this from the guy that sold even the mouse. In fact, most of these things, except the microphone, are from one place. From the guy. I'll try and look for his handle and then put it on the screen. I saw that Nekweme advertised for this guy, and I had to, because I've been saving up to buy laptop for a long time. I had to just go and patronize the guy, and the guy was so calmly, so he'll be wondering why I haven't unboxed the laptop yet. So yeah, I also got this screen guard for the laptop. So slick. I don't know how they're using it though. I don't know how to use it though, but I'm sure gonna try. Okay, you can just keep it like this. Okay, and you're good to go. So when I got the laptop, and I don't really like the color, because I love the silver kind of this thing, and the guy persuaded me, said I'm going to like it. But you guys, check it out. I'm beginning to like the black and the feel of it. So let's move over to the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's move over to the laptop, and let me show you guys the laptop.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come.
You guys, I love, and I keep loving it. It's so slick. And I love the black color. This guy was right. He said I was going to fall in love with him. Now the struggle of wearing this laptop pouch began. And did I tell you guys it's detachable? It's detachable. Man, I love everything about this laptop. I love it. It's just so painful that I don't know how to turn it on. But I'm going to learn. So I love it, and it's so sleek, so goes with everything. Just look at those nails on it. Please don't ask me what am I typing. I don't know. Look at those nails on it. Look at those hands on it. And yeah, that is the what did they call this thing? Adapter. And you plug it somewhere. I was looking for where to plug it. I couldn't see, but I later find it. Okay, so don't worry, don't laugh at me. We are learning. So yeah, what do you guys think of my laptop? So village people became awake. Oh, they just wake up from nowhere. See, this is the problem of microphone. I do not know what happened to the audio here. I just lost the audio. What I did wrong, me, Amalom, I don't know. Well, I was saying the laptop was so sleek, that is detachable. I love everything about it. Telling you guys to please patronize the guy. His Instagram handle is computer planet_planet_ engine. Please, and the screen touch, you can just stay in your own comfort zone and be tapping the screen. Get that was why I was shaking my head there. And I love it. I love his HP. I love the fact that it's portable. Yes, you can just put it into your handbag and you're good to go. It's so portable. It's so just I just love the vibe it was giving me. I can't just wait to start using it. That is when I learn how to turn it on, which I'm going to learn just now. I'm going to learn how to turn it on. Yeah, this is just my laptop. Yeah, now I can boldly tell you guys I have laptop. I have laptop, okay? So put a respect. I have laptop to my name. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.